bull run. Thanks for tuning into this one. Now let's have some fun.
Good morning. Good morning.
In this bull run, Sam's on the screen, calling those ticks like a money machine.
We traded some NQ and Bitcoin today.
TTrades, Fractal in a neon grid. Swing high, swing low, that's the bid. In this bull run, chart in his hand. Zoom out, fam, got a long-term plan. From politics scripts to crypto flips, Sam's new campaign is these candlestick tips.
Getting everything set up.
In this bull run, Sam says one more leg. TTrades, Fractal in his head like a pledge. Break of structure, we jump off the ledge, then it wicks back up and we still feel blessed. 1 minute trader, heart rate danger. 15-minute thinker, swing trade ranger. 4-hour chef, let it simmer in the zone. Dutch oven hot, he just calls it home. Oh yeah. It's time to go long. This time it can't go wrong. I just told you, and it has been so long.
Oops. Let's go.
Shoving tutorial, so you know what to do. Wait, what? No, not the Dutch oven. Slow cook accumulation.
Get this linked out.
Change in state of delivery. Heat talk like a wizard. Draw lots, cap the zone, bulls growing bigger. Break of structure line. Price snaps like a breadstick. Change in state of delivery. He's calling every plot twist. 1 minute candles racing. 15's laying out the plan. 4 hours slow cook patience. Dutch oven for the diamond hands.
Right on. I'm gonna get the stream board here so I can shift over easier. Okay. 1 for 1 today. Nothing too spectacular. Some break even for the day.
1 minute panic, 15 magic, 4-hour calm like why so dramatic. There was a break of
One short here, got stopped out, flipped long, ran it back to break even. And then 1 minute scalp this up to this here. That reversal there, or that pullback there for break even. And of course after was a perfect London range runner.
I'm holding till I'm richer.
Swept London low back into London range and then pushed up from low to high. Could have got in here, ran it all the way. This would have been the fake out for that though. I guess if we put the stop here,
That's how it goes.
take a look at it.
Dutch oven slow cook, everybody knows.
Let me get it so everyone can see it. There we go.
The bullishness grows. Fractal slow cook, everybody knows.
Get in on this order block here. Why'd that disappear? Stop below this swing, protected swing into that fair value gap. Could have rode it all the way. That would have been the pretty good range runner. Second entry. Of course, I see all this now, right? Could have been here. Protected swing. Never really hit the top of the high. That's why I always pull my take profits a little bit shy of full target. I mean, what if you're going for the full target there and you're gonna get it reversed on by not even very much. No, not much at all. Now we were dumping back in. Holy cow. So if I decide to do 1 minute scalping, I'm going to move to minis because I'll scalp a 40 tick range. 40 tick take profit. And basically what I'm looking for is like a break of structure or change of state of delivery like this and just jump in on 1 minute candle. But now we're already falling. Bitcoin was interesting. Hit our target on, well, hit our level almost perfectly. And then dumped from there. Congrats to those who found that at 6:30 this morning. What's up, Willow? How's it going? How's your day? Yeah, she's just dumping here. Couldn't push through London high. Rejection right before. A lot of consolidation in that 15 minute. Oh, you like that? You like the portrait? Trying something new. I got both going if you want the other one. Figured there's a lot of people watching on mobile. Hopefully I can keep dual streaming like this. I'm gonna use this as the full fair value gap here. These 2 1 minute candles. I'll just use this one. Might as well be. There's really no wick on it. I think we just might chop till 2:30, so that's kind of why I'm in the scalping idea. How's the sound for everybody? I have a whole new setup, so I'm hoping the sound's dialed in. You're working on the truck, Willow, today? See what this next 15 minute candle does. See if she comes up, maybe wick tests. Or blows into a little bit. Bitcoin's just dying down. Thanks, Bar. Sounds good. Might have to figure out something for the mobile people for this this Bitcoin view, because I have it set up a little different because I can't run my regular indicators on it. So I'll have to keep it pretty snug for you all to see the 1 minute. 1 minute's on the left, 15 minute on the right. New 15 just opened. So far looking so good. Gonna have to send pictures, Willa. Find that stuff interesting as hell. Love the process. You do awesome work. So many sheet metal or fabricators, workers in the groups. Could be leaving a double bottom here. Hope not. Mar, I'm thinking about switching the camera to the bottom and the charts to the top. I think the it's getting lost too much in the comments and whatnot. You don't need to see my ugly mug. You can just need to see the charts more. Till it's bikini season, and then of course gotta get those clicks. So far struggling in that. Let's see. Guess I should have just longed it from there, huh? Little scalpy long to the fair value gap. Oh yeah, it was 80 ticks. I'm not sure if it wants to run right now. Does anybody know how to make it float every time the trading box float every time you click trade? I want to keep it like unlocked. Doesn't quite want to run just yet. Have this at 2, so it could just be chopping. I gotta get that in my head too. Gotta get that in my head. Oh, Bitcoin's doing what I wanted NQ to do. Hello, I pressed the sell button. Why didn't you sell? I don't dare press it again. Second time this has happened to me on this platform, where I've clicked the buy or sell button and it did nothing. And this is a different mouse and a different computer than I used last time I did it, so I don't think it's that. Trade up. There goes that scalp. And he was like, nah, I'm just going to keep on pushing up. Just grind it up. Technically, we could go all the way up here. It's kind of one big fair value gap. Oh God. I'll check my DMs. Oh my God. That's hilarious. Gotta get your pedals in. Gotta get your pedals in at work. A little choppy. Take a sip here. It's too nice to be inside trading. Not very nice spring days. do think Bitcoin wants to drop here. Where would be a good target? Right there looks good. Well, NQ did not dip down from there. It is grinding higher. See if it closes this whole area or if it's going to give us a reversal signature. So far, no. Set my bias wrong short term today. Thought today was going to be bearish as well. It was looking that way. Could just be an inside trade or two, right? Waiting for FOMC at 2. I'd stream it, but I have other obligations this afternoon. Oh man, that would have been a great video, Willa. You riding a stationary bike on a forklift. This might have some hope of reversing here. Swept that out. Little baby order block that delivered pretty hard. There we go. Got 1 minute and a half until the next 15-minute candle. We did break structure here. No, we didn't. Not yet. Do we want to? Just teasing it. Doesn't look like it wants to change yet. Looking for a little short here, but I don't know if it's going to give us anything. Bitcoin just consolidating, because that's all it's been doing when I go live. Well, there's a little pop. Okay, what's this 15 structure looking like? Kind of like crap. It's holding off that order block though. Trade it up first. my least favorite setup here, where it feels like this is wants to just reverse from here, but I don't think it's going to railroad that 15-minute. Really suspicious down here. Tweezers are bottoms. But why? What was it holding on to? This level here? Like 2/4 of, no, 1/3 of the London range. Yeah, I already talked about it, that order block there. Okay. 15-minute order block. That's what it's holding. See, but it's looking like it wants to make a nice wick there and come down. Just some consolidation. Just some consolidation. Yeah, I see a lot of people have no trades this morning, or they caught the London sweep and back up. It's one of those days. Like it provided something. Provided a good, nice London range run. That's about all I could have really asked for. Bitcoin's still doing the old consolidation. Oil's up 5.6%. Yay. Cost me $40 to fill my tank the other day, which is not bad compared to some of the other parts in the United States, but Anything else you all want to look at? Let's take a look at silver, which just continues to dump. Still looking bearish on the 4 hour. Gold probably looks pretty similar. Gold's a little more bullish. A lot more bullish. It could be a swing low right there. Could be getting bullish, guys. This 4 hours looking bullish. Close above Asia high on the 4 hour. Should be at 2, but yeah, right at big news time. Well, I had mindset that I was going to scalp, but then the 1 minute looks like this. So maybe curl it. YouTube's analytics. Oh, there's that dump that we were wanting. Okay, hit the target that we did not get into. The rope-a-doping. Can't trace that now. Let's see if it retraces. Well, 5 minute might be looking interesting here on NQ. Got 1 minute left. Let's see if it closes below this green candle's body. Looking good. But everything keeps getting bought back up last second. Showing bullish strength, but it's just like a grind. It's a real battle. High resistance. $4 a gallon there. Well, that's about the same here now. I actually paid $4.19 the other day at one of the places that used to be the cheapest gas station. They're no longer the cheapest gas station. But I was in the middle of nowhere, so I had to had to get the gas there. Nice thing is if you have any kind of gas cards, they usually have like a 5 to 10 cent off. I think my mobile has up to 12 cents off. My mobile card. Off a gallon. Helps. If you're looking to save more, American Express is 3% off gas. Or cash back on gas. It's actually friggin' with gas being $4, it might be. It's like 12 cents off a gallon. It might be just better to use that friggin' card. Gotta game the system. Still a 5 minute. 5 minutes still looks bearish. Consolidation is my bet here. It's going to wait to the next 15 and then hopefully this will be a swing high. Clear out these double bottoms down here. But we're in that same situation. We have a swing low and a swing high, so it usually means consolidation within that range. Yeah, I gotta really use those damn membership things. Guess you should anyways, right? It's free money. I heard a hack yesterday from a very, very good source. And I don't know, I haven't fact checked it, so don't run out and do this, but if you're at a casino, you can charge chips to your room and it'll ping your credit card as just a regular charge to the room, like food or anything, and you can get cash back on the chips you buy from the casino. And apparently this person maxes out all of their credit cards every time they're at the casino and then cash those chips back in and pays it off, and they get whatever 2% cash back on all the money. Oh, that's awesome, Willa. She's playing games, guys. She's just playing games. Yeah, I'd gotta fact check that hack, because if it's true, come here for the trading. Get the credit card hacks for free. Oh wait, this is all free. I think a lot of people are done for the day. Orfner has some music too that we'll be showcasing on the live here soon. I'm making a compilation so I can have a playlist of it. Well, I wish I took this Bitcoin trade, but outside of that, I tried to take this Bitcoin trade. The button did not press. This is what we were going to trade. Something like that. At least a 1-to-1 on this. Would have been a scalpy. Yeah. Would have sucked to have been drawdown for that long. Might have actually off of this here would have been where we were trying to get in. On that retrace of this candle here. Looking for 1 to 2. I don't know if it's going to get there though. Never heard of him. I'll look into it. Let me write it down. It's just grinding. Got major news coming. Bitcoin's dumping. I had every intent to scalp the hell out of this, but we went into some weird grind chop. I was a moment too late for this. Wasn't set up enough. I was going to take that short. Then we were looking for it to come up here, reject this fair value gap area. All these fair value gaps here, it did not. It just kept on right back up to Asia high. So it's just not doing what we want. That's fine. We just wait. It's part of trading. Waiting. Not trading is a big component of trading. Not forcing things. Market doesn't care what you want. This is what we've been in, guys, since we started. That push up and then just a little bit of consolidation. How big are these candles? Only 40 ticks too, so it's not a real good scalping range. I want these candles to be like 50 to 100 ticks. And then I can run a scalp off of 1 minute candle. When they're the shallow, I don't like doing it. Or the small. So like these, right? Really works good at open. Because you can catch these wicks for 40, 50 ticks. Right, jump in, get 40, 50 ticks. Because you got 110, 115 to work with. You only need to capture a fraction of that 1 minute candle. That's what I was planning to do over here, but we have not given any opportunity. Pre-stream, I caught this reversal here to get me back to break even after trying to short this here and getting stopped out around here somewhere. So I sized up with a scalp there. And I was like, okay, I'm going to go into that scalping mode. And anticipating this chop going into FOMC. But it's not providing, that's all right. So I'll break even for the day. Nothing big. Better than red. Worse than green. Appreciate y'all hanging through this crap. Oh, that was violent. Must be the 11:51 news that we all hear about. See, people say that this only happens on MNQ a lot. I haven't traded NQ in a while. I used to only trade NQ, not MNQ. No, did the wick go deeper? Where's the low? 44.25. 44.50. So NQ actually dipped one tick deeper on that. Violence. Now what to do with that? Is this when it decides to go for these lows now that I was aiming for before? All the way down here. $150 points. What are we for the day? Oh, we're green. We have a green day right now. No pullback, just straight down, straight violence. Did someone tweet or something? Hey George Cruz, how's it going? Price action hasn't been too good today for our setups. So we haven't traded any. Welcome though. So we haven't taken a trade yet. We've been waiting for the Fractal to show or for a good scalping opportunity to show, but we were just caught in this for most of the stream. So we didn't take anything. We were anticipating it falling back down. We just thought it was going to happen in the fair value gap over here, but it did not. Then it just violently went to target. George, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I can show you how we trade. Trade the fractal model. Today we're also looking to do some scalping, which is kind of my own strategy. I use it mainly on evals, but every so often I get spunky on my funded and use it. It's a little higher risk. Well, Bitcoin ran through all of our all of our targets. So we need more targets. It's crazy. Was there news or something? Yeah, I was going to ecstasy. I don't see anything. This is kind of where I get FOMO too, and I really have to practice my patience when it starts, like especially when Bitcoin just ran to every single target we put up without giving us really an entry. Not a good enough one anyways. New hourly coming in. That hourly railroaded. Still got these targets from a long time ago. Since like the 24th. Never came back down for him yet. Got that gap. Right, it's full port YOLO time. You heard Willow. Gotta full port this biatch. Which direction? Looks like a bounce area, right? I'm guessing it's gonna trade up and back down. Edumacated guess. New 15, let's go. Trade up. To where though? This fair value gap. That's the only one on that move. Check that. There's another one right there, a little baby one. So let's see what those points of interest give us. 50% of the 50-minute candle is right there too. Give me something. Apologize, George. I do not speak Spanish. I wish I did. I tried learning it. I'm just not good with foreign languages. I used to be able to speak French. Have not done that in a very long time, though. Okay, I just Googled what you said. I'm doing well. How are you? Doing good, doing good. How you doing? We're hunting for a short. That's what I'm doing. But it's just gonna range, I think, until FOMC, which is at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. It's good to hear, George. Okay, I think that's enough. Go down. Just playing around with that 50% level of that previous 50-minute candle. Inverted the 1 minute fair value gap, obviously. Do I dare check on Bitcoin? Oh, it is reversing. Thought it might reverse here. Retracing anyway. Clean the chart up and just take a look at how it's looking. Good old-fashioned bear flag on the 1 minute. 15-minute is just spaghetti. Five-minute slightly cleaner. Means the 2 minute might be even cleaner. Nah. 3 minute. Nah. 5 minute looking all right. Again, not expecting much. It's lunch hour here. I was hoping to get something in, but it's playing games. So I took 2 trades today, lost one, won one. Break even for the day. and that's fine. Better than a loss, I suppose. There goes that little pump. You SOB. Oh crap, Willow's gonna start speaking French to me. You have a lot of French Canadians up your way, Willow. I know back in my day, construction had a lot of French Canadians in it. And that's why I learned how to speak French. Yeah, there we go. That's looking interesting. Yeah, bounced right off it. Come on, dump. Everything's getting bought back up, but not very powerfully. Not very forcefully. Not convincingly. George, I do have a video on my channel describing the model I play. If you want to check that out. And then come back to the live and ask any questions. I'll answer them after you watch it, if it's something that you're interested in. Oh yeah, good luck with that, Willow. Good luck with that. An actual French person. Okay guys, this is just gonna grind until 2. I'm gonna go have lunch with the wife, and then, as you all know, I have volunteer stuff to do tomorrow, so I'm not streaming tomorrow. I will try to stream Friday. It's gonna rain here, so there's like a 95% chance I'll be streaming on Friday. Really appreciate you all hanging out in this junk action. Thanks for everything. I will see you Friday, and then Discord. This is a new system, and I keep on forgetting where the end stream button is. There it is.